Hey guys, I'm back in the kitchen today. Today I'm just making simple dinner. It's just a breaded chicken um, thighs that they were boneless, skinless thighs that I bought up at our local Aldi. Um, and it just has the breading was instant potato flakes, Parmesan cheese, and garlic salt. That's all it called for. I added a little onion powder. I didn't have garlic salt. I had garlic powder. So I had to put some salt and some pepper in there. Y'all know I don't cook without salt and pepper in my food. Um, Now I didn't add a lot of salt because the Parmesan has salt in it. I'm making some just plain mashed potatoes and some canned carrots today. So my big question. I know some of you all have said that you like to see my cooking videos and stuff, which I thoroughly appreciate. I do. I want to know, like, what kind of recipes can I give y'all to help y'all in your kitchens? I know here in the U.S., I'm located in the United States. Uh, Things that are budget friendly for us are things like ground beef, um, chicken. Certain kinds of fish are relatively inexpensive. Pasta, of course, is inexpensive. I don't know why. You can go to like the store and get a pound of pasta, store brand, for like $1. It's not that expensive at the store. And you go out, like, I don't go out to eat really. Not very often anyway. I mean, it's been over 2 years since I was in a sit down place. So anyway, you go in and order a plate of spaghetti at a restaurant and it's like $14. It's like, I know that pasta just cost you about $1 a pound, probably less than that because you buy in bulk. And that sauce ain't homemade either, more than likely, unless you're in an Italian restaurant, and some of them do make it homemade. And especially the little mom and pop places and that kind of stuff. But anyway, you sit there and you're wondering why in the world is this food at this restaurant so high when you know how much the stuff cost. But what can I do to help you all in your kitchens? Please don't ask me to start making lobster and crab legs and ribeyes and all this stuff. But I could do basic cooking videos if y'all have some ideas of things that you'd like that you don't have a good recipe for, or that maybe you'd like a new recipe for, so that you're not eating the same old thing over and over and over again, or at least the same version of the same thing over and over and over again. Give me some ideas, shoot me some ideas of stuff that y'all like at your house, or maybe things that you don't have a recipe for, and I will do my best to get one. um I'm trying to improve my channel here, and viewer feedback is always a good thing for me, and that kind of thing. I try to be as interactive with my viewers as I can be. I always read comments. Even the bot comments, now I do delete those. The ones that are obviously from bots and stuff, I do delete those. But regular people making regular comments, I never delete. If you like me, you like me. If you don't, you don't. We all have people that don't like us. But give me some feedback on things you all would like to see. I always like new ideas when I'm in the kitchen. Y'all want to see like some breakfast stuff or lunch ideas? School's started back. Would you like to see some ideas of things you could put in your kids' lunch boxes or quick, easy weeknight meals or something like that? What are things that you all would like in your lives to make your lives a lot simpler? Or if you want to see like Sunday type dinners or something like that where I can make maybe an occasional meal where it's not, just a quick, easy, thrown together weeknight meal. Anyway, shoot me some ideas and we will see what we can do on getting some things together for those ideas. Anyway, thanks again. And until I start getting those ideas in, I will see you all later and have a good night.